About a period. There's two ways of looking at it. This is talking about from 0 to 2 pi. You're going to get two full sine curves. I look at it, or I will describe it, hey, what's your period? If I do that, what is 2 pi divided by the absolute value of 2? What's that equal to? Pi. That means I am getting a full sine curve every pi. That's the distance. So we have a full cycle every pi. Or, some people look at it as, I have 2 cycles every 2 pi. It's the same thing. Same thing. Well, how do I draw that? What's going to happen to my sine curve? Here's my sine curve right now. What's going to happen? It's going to get scrunched together because I got to get 2 of them in the same distance. It's like short people versus tall people walking. A tall person going from here to there. 1 step, 2 step. What do short people have to do? They got to freaking pick it up, don't they? So, if I have to get a full sine curve, here, let's go backtrack a little bit. I got to get a full sine curve from 0 to pi. So that's the distance. Well, how do I represent those locations? Cut it in, half, and then half and half again. Draw what you think it's going to look like on your graph. How high am I going? How high and how low? 1, because that's my amplitude. That tells us how high, how low. Every other one is
0.
There's a full sine curve from 0 to pi. We will always keep drawing. I'm going to ask you to keep drawing from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Fingertip, fingertip. Fingertip, fingertip. Howard. There's nothing written there. It's like, what is this? It's a marker. Or another way of saying it, 1 marker. There's negative 2 pi, so I start out with half and half and half again. I have to go, keep going. Well, if I cut all these again in half, it's very repetitive, folks.